guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna tell you, I just made this. I'll show you how to make it a different time. So basically you're gonna choose a color and I don't know, I'll say blue. B-L-U-E. So choose a color. 7, 4, 3, and 8 are there. See? 3, 7, 4, 8. I'm gonna choose 4. So now I have to go do this 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna choose 6. I'm living in a regular house. Yay! Okay. Well, I'll do it one more time. I'm gonna choose pink this time. P-I-N-K. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. What am I? I'm living in a mansion. Yes, let's go, baby boy. So that's actually when you grow up, you're gonna live in. Just